It all started with a dream, a very big dream. And now it's expanding.
At AutoMillennium, we've travelled far to reach the heights where we now are.
We are uniting all the businesses related to automotive under one group. AutoMillennium Group today is a group of 13 companies. We have the capabilities, we have the experience, we have the people, we have the infrastructure, we have the products, we have the know-how, so we have all the abilities to make things happen. We knew it will not be easy. 20 years of continuous improvement until we reach to such technical experience. Now we gain trust. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. VTX Factory is the vehicle transformation experts. We upgrade cars for volume, hundreds and thousands of cars.
We have a production line within our factory. The production line has stage-by-stage process, and each one of these processes is timed to the nth degree.
Every single part goes into our software system,
and that allows us to be able to supply end units from start to finish.
and then we will bring it back again to the production line to start assembling all those parts and rebuild the car back again completely to have the car ready for auto dealers. And they're selling them inside their showrooms. We manufacture 20 cars every single day. We were super happy of increasing capacity, productivity without affecting the quality.
We've been able to ascertain everything we need from the market, delivering something very, very unique that nobody in the market, nobody in the GCC is touching.
There is no customization brand for volume affordable cars. People want to have a luxury car, but an economic price.
The cost of the VTX is very minimal. We're able to bridge the gap between the lowest specification and the highest specification. We've been able to increase profitability for dealers by over 40%, and that's given them a really unique proposition. This is a very, very good opportunity for dealers and sales teams who really want to combat low stock deliveries from manufacturers. In the UAE, we have a 107,000 square foot factory currently. We have a 100,000 square foot factory in India, and we'll be growing that into Saudi Arabia over the next short-term period. This could then look to expand across other continents.
You want to learn more what happens inside? I would really love all the car dealers to come and visit us in the factory, because that will show them things that they did not see before. Building affordable cars in affordable prices in volume business. Their end user customers will get really excited and loyal for their brand. It's everything under one roof. Autocare 360. One of our main sectors. It used to be the first sector in AutoMillennium Group. It's a supply and apply business, and we have it in two different business models. One is B2B with all the auto dealers that we do it for their own customers, and one is B2C. We have Auto Clinic and VIP Clinic that we do it for our end user customers directly. Rhino is the strongest animal in the world. It's attacking, and that shows the quality of the products. Today, with all the hard work, we have 500 products under RHINOMOTIVE brand, and we're very proud of that. The gap in the market is you have to go and compile products. Not a single brand is selling a complete full solution. It's the ultimate game changer in the industry, because simply we have all the products. It took us so much time to make it happen. To reach to the best quality in economical price, in a one-stop solution, compiling three of them together, it was a mission impossible. It takes so much technical experience, testing every single product and doing research and developing for that product. We have to travel to the whole world. Because there is no country in the world can manufacture all the products because it goes back to natural resources. We go and visit all the factories. We have products from USA, from Japan, from Korea, from Spain, from South Africa, from China, from different countries, and the mountain was so high. You gain your customers' trust after testing and using your products. Once the end user uses your products, he will come back again and again and again. And that's how we gain the trust of our existing customers. RHINOMOTIVE is the real partner and the best partner to increase your sales and to make you the maximum profit. Distributors and business partners, we made it easy for you. The support that you will have is completely unbeatable. And we can give you the process step by step. In every single product, you will find a video about the product, technical data sheet, safety data sheet, all the flyers, all the MSDS, all the TDS. That's how we are helping our distributors. You can see e-shop, even if you want to sell online through Amazon or whatever, we have done for you the e-shop. All what you have to do is just to open RHINOMOTIVE.com. You will understand exactly what you have to do in every single product in all the 500 products. It's a one-stop solution.
Car care solutions, we've made them all. Guarding against scratches,
Window tinting, rejecting the heat,
ceramic coating.
quality washing, and detail polishing, we never fail.
Safety remains our priority. We strive for more.
Transforming cars into a piece of art.
Mechanical enhancers we've constructed. Smart tools and equipment, technology instructed.
Tyre accessories and air quality cures. We found solutions for AC and fresheners.
Advanced machines to maximize productivity. Disassembled car bodies, exploring every chance and possibility.
We are not just passionate about cars. We are obsessed with details. We're giving you a full solution. Who's having the system, the one-stop solution, everything under one roof? No one. They can come and compete with us with one division, but they cannot compete with us as a group. And that's what makes AutoMillennium Group a superpower. It is the automotive revolution. AutoMillennium Group, we stand tall. When you want anything related to automotives, you think about AutoMillennium.
We've made achievements and mastered our craft, collaborating day and night.
We never rest. We wanted the best since day one. We love auto. It's our passion. We will become a worldwide player. We're not finished yet. There is still much more we must accomplish. You can bet.
For the future, we'll pave the way. AutoMillennium
AutoMillennium is leading the way.